It's Tuesday, August 13th, and this is Markets Daily, hosted by me, Jen Sanasie. On this show, we navigate the currents shaping the crypto markets, providing insights against the broader financial landscape. So whether you're actively trading or simply fascinated by the volatility of the crypto markets, this show is your compass to understanding what's happened, where we are, and where we're going. Good morning, everyone. A lot of people recently have been asking me about DePIN. So on this episode, we're going to take a deep dive into what it is, what the future could look like, and why it matters to the crypto markets. Now, DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. It might sound a bit technical, but it's actually a fascinating concept with real-world applications. Essentially, DePIN refers to the use of blockchain technology to manage and coordinate physical infrastructure resources in a decentralized manner. Now, this can include anything from internet connectivity and cloud storage to energy grids and transportation systems. So, why is DePIN relevant to the crypto markets? Well, DePIN projects often use tokens to incentivize participation and investment. These tokens can be used to access services, pay for usage, or even earn rewards for contributing resources to the network. It's a new economic model that blends physical infrastructure with digital assets. Let's take Helium, for example, one of the more well-known DePIN projects. Helium is a decentralized wireless network powered by blockchain. People can set up devices called hotspots to provide wireless coverage in their area. In return, they earn Helium tokens or HNT. This incentivizes individuals to build and maintain the network, creating a community-driven infrastructure. Helium's success has inspired interest in other DePIN projects, each with unique approaches and target markets. Some are focusing on renewable energy, others on decentralized cloud storage, and some even on transportation networks. The common thread here, though, is the use of blockchain to decentralize control and incentivize participation through tokens. So this is where it gets interesting for crypto markets. As these projects grow, they create new opportunities for the tokens associated with the projects. Now, the potential for these projects is vast, but it's still a relatively new concept. There are still regulatory challenges, technical hurdles, and market adoption challenges that could all impact this industry in the future. However, the idea of decentralized physical infrastructure is gaining traction, and it's an exciting space to watch. It's a prime example of how blockchain technology can extend beyond digital currencies and into the real world, potentially reshaping entire industries. Decentralized physical infrastructure networks could be the key to breaking the monopoly of big tech and utility companies. Think about it. We live in a world where a handful of companies control our internet, energy, and even our data storage. This centralized control isn't just inconvenient, it's potentially dangerous. It creates single points of failure, leaves us vulnerable to outages, and often results in inflated costs due to the lack of competition. Now, DePIN flips this script by decentralizing these essential services. We're not just spreading out the infrastructure, we're spreading out the power. Let's imagine a world where your internet isn't dependent on a single provider, but rather a network of decentralized nodes maintained by the community. It's more resilient, more democratic, and potentially cheaper. Plus, it empowers individuals to participate in the upside of the infrastructure they use every day. So, while it might seem like a niche concept now, don't sleep on DePIN. It could be one of the most transformative developments in the crypto space and beyond. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I really hope that you are enjoying Markets Daily. If you are, head on over to the CoinDesk Podcast Network on your favorite podcast platform. Hit subscribe, give us a 5-star rating, leave a comment. If you prefer to watch videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support. We appreciate your feedback. That's it for Markets Daily today, and we'll see you tomorrow.